30-minute chicken chow mein, chewy noodles fried in a savory sauce with juicy chicken and vegetables. To your sliced chicken thighs, add regular soy sauce, water, and cornstarch. Marinate and set aside as you work on the other ingredients. In a bowl, combine regular soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, Shaoxing wine, sesame oil, sugar, white pepper, cornstarch, garlic, and chicken stock. In hot boiling water, blanch your chow mein noodles just until loosened. Strain immediately. Over medium-high heat, add oil and your marinated chicken. Spread apart quickly, fry until 75% cooked. Add carrots, celery, and cabbage. Cook until softened. Noodles in your sauce. Mix well until the noodles are coated in it and there's no more on the base of the pan. Bean sprouts and green onions. One last mix. Remove off heat. Enjoy. Visit profile for recipe link. Like and follow for more.